PCI Pharma Services. CDMO, world-class integrated solutions through intelligence, ingenuity, and innovation. Together, delivering life-changing therapies, defined by quality, responsible today, protecting tomorrow. Development and manufacturing, where beyond begins. From development to commercialization, sterile fill-finish for multi-dose formats, specialist large-scale pre-filled syringe capabilities, lyophilization and high-potent oral dosage forms, targeted therapies, solubility solution, technology and scalability, where safety meets speed to market, evolution from tech transfer to treatment. Clinical trial services, the journeys within, a global network, packaging and logistics, seamless development to pre-launch, unlocking efficiencies, digital enablement through PCI Bridge, driving smarter, faster decisions, drug-device integration and parallel workflows, connecting product to patient and quality to care, bridging science to success with trust, security, and support, partnership throughout the product pathway, advanced drug delivery and drug-device combination products, horizons in our hands, integrated sterile fill-finish through to drug-device assembly, immersed in every dose and delivery form, in-house testing and packaging, pre-filled syringes, needle safety devices, auto-injectors, pens and on-body devices, built with trust in every single component, precision and integration, meet patient centricity, solutions engineered and assembled, transformative drug delivery, commercial packaging technology designed for life, global where it matters, local when it counts, high value, complex therapies, blistering and bottling, visual inspection and quality assured, serialization and traceability, concierge level support, 90 launches per year, trusted, design, detail and engineering excellence, surrounding your product with precision, the true partnership for progress. With a relentless commitment to quality, and the more we are inspired by tomorrow, the greater the difference we can make to it. Let's talk future.